I want to hear your opinions on why getting really good equipment in the beginning is important to you, and why you want to suggest that to the listener as well.
I've listened to your show. Your show sounds great. Your microphone sounds great. Everything sounds good. But I've also listened to my share of podcasts that don't sound great. And man, I don't listen to them. As soon as you hear it, no matter how good of content they're putting out, I just can't listen to it.
Yeah.
So I don't want that to be the cause that anybody doesn't listen to our show. So if we can combat that and just put forth as much as, the microphone you're using, man, it's equivalent to this one. And I've heard some basic dynamic microphones that cost $50, $60 that sound as good as this one to my ear.
Yeah, it can happen. The Samson Q2U is pretty good for like $70. The what is it called? The ATR 2100X is pretty good for like around $100. Mm-hmm. The one that I'm using for like $250-ish is a different Shure mic, MV7, and I love it. Like I don't need anything but this. Like, this is fine. If somebody said to me like, I'll trade you for a MV7, even though it's more expensive and probably technically better, I'm like, no, I'm really happy with this mic. I'm really good with it. Even if I got it for free, I want this mic.
Oh, that's awesome, man. If you got that for free, because you sound good. And that's the big
even
thing.
If I got the $500 mic for free.
Okay.
No, I had to pay for this. Let the record stand that I did not get this one for free.
Hey,
but it was half the price of yours. It was half the price. I'll say it was like $250.
Yeah, and I think that's what happened with me is I spent so much on things that didn't work. Actually, I went with a knockoff of what you have is the Fiduce something 40. I think is a.
I had not heard of it.
It's on Amazon. They're like $60. So I ordered 4 of them, and it had a different sound to it. It was very deep and very bassy. So that started my whole cycle of microphones. That's how I ended up where I'm at now.
I wonder how your girls would sound on that one.
They sound fine on anything.
Okay.
Because they don't have that extra bass. So
okay, got it.
Picking up them, and they sound great.
Yeah.
But I just felt bad me talking on an expensive mic, and I wanted all of our sounds to kind of coincide and be from the same source, if that makes sense.